Hello, so today I'm going to show you guys how to write your first line of Python code. We're going to use the print function, and basically functions are just someone else's code that we're allowed to use, and the creators of Python saw that this function was so useful that they put it inside like the air quote vanilla version of Python. So it's built into just every version you can find. So what does it do? It actually just prints out some information to our screen, not even our user's screen, just our screen. Um, so that might not seem very impactful, but it is actually invaluable, and you'll find why later. If I try to explain now, it would just not make any sense. That'd sound crazy. So, how do we use this? Well, first we have to say the name of the function we want to use, which is print. And then anytime we're using a function, after you type the name of the function, you put these parentheses. Now, these are for holding the information that the function needs. So what does this print function need? It needs to know what information we want to print to the screen, what we want to see. So let's tell it that we want to see the text hello. And anytime that we have text that we want to see printed out, we have to surround the text with these double quotes. And this doesn't make sense for right now, but you'll see why in like 2 or 3 tutorials. For now, just memorize when you want to print out text, you have to surround the text in these double quotes. So now we can run this, and we'll see hello print out, which is what we wanted. So if we didn't want to print out text, let's say we wanted to print out a number, we can just type a number in here and run it. And all the same, we'll see 20 print out. Now, I can also show you that we can still print out the text 20, and it'll print out exactly the same. So, 20 can exist as a number, or you can have 20 in a message like I am 20 or something like that. So that's it for print functions. Thanks for watching, guys.